Hey guys, Patrick here with A1 Vacuum and Sewing. Just letting you know that this upcoming Wednesday, we will be observing an in-service day here in the shop. So long story short, anybody who's been in the shop over the last couple of months could tell you the shop's kind of a mess. We need to get some inventory taken care of. We need to get some cleaning taken care of, and there's just stuff that we have not been able to get to because thankfully we've been so busy. So long story short, for Wednesday, the open sun will be off. We'll have all our employees here working basically to catch up on that stuff. We're going to be moving some things around and kind of doing a deep cleaning on the store. If you do swing by, or if you need to drop something off or pick something up, we're not going to turn anybody away. But if you look at our hours or anything like that, we will be posted as closed. We just wanted to give you a little bit of advance notice. But if there's something that you desperately need and you come past the shop, we certainly won't turn you away. But that said, the shop should be much cleaner and running that much more efficiently starting on Thursday as well. So we appreciate everybody's understanding. Thank you.